Hello everyone, this video is a quick demo on how we can make a vendor master in iQ-Metallika ERP software. So for this you need to open up your Google browser and type in a URL here, which is login.iqmetallika.com. Once you log in, you can see our login home page. Now every user of iQ-Metallika have his or own unique login ID and password, which is given by admin department to you. So you need to type in that ID and password here. After that, just keep on pressing enter button to select the company, the site and the year in which you want to enter. Now we'll select the module. Here we're going to make vendor master, which comes under procurement. So we'll select procurement management here. Now press enter and this is the home page for the procurement management. Now when we'll move to the upper left hand side of the screen, we can see masters over here. So when I go to masters, I can see different type of masters here. Now vendor master is the second one. So I select this and the form for the vendor master would open up. Now whenever we are going to make a new data entry into iQ-Metallika system, we need to press insertion mode button, because without pressing insertion mode button we are not able to save our data into iQ-Metallika system. So we can find insertion mode button on the upper left hand side of the form with the green color cross on it. This is insertion mode button. You can see it. Now when I click this button, my form is highlighted now. Next thing, what is vendor master? Vendor master is a database that contains information about the vendors that supply an enterprise. It contains vendor's name, vendor type, vendor group, vendor's address, its PIN code, phone number, mobile, fax, TIN number, PAN number, CSV number. All these essential details of my vendor master comes under this transaction. We can save all the essentials of our vendor in this account, in this form, and it creates a database. Alright, so vendor code is something which is generated by the system automatically. Now we need to enter the vendor name, and which should be unique. Right, let's say it's A.Ali Muhammad. Ali Muhammad dot Ali Muhammad at go, let's say. Now the vendor type, just press enter and the vendor type would open up. It could be dealer, it could be importer, it could be manufacturer. So you need to select according to the vendor type. So let's say Ali Muhammad is a dealer, so I'll select dealer here. Now the list of creditors group would open up. Here you need to select the grouping correctly. So let's say it's for mechanical. Alright, let's say it's S.C for mechanical. Here it is. I just type in and search for the correct group. Now you can add the address. So let's say it's 186 Linghi Street. Now the address to, let's say the city is Chennai. No, it takes Kuala Lumpur. Let's say the city is Chennai. Here it is. Now I can skip all the paths here because this is not mandatory, but if you want to enter the entire details, you can add it. Alright, so let's say the TIN number. Here the TIN number is taking it randomly. You can enter it correctly. Alright, now the let's say CST number is 2. If you want to enter the ECC number, you can add it. If you want to enter the PAN number, you can add it. And if you want to enter the item, specifically item from this particular dealer, then you can select here. I can show you again. You can select here the item code and the list would open up, and select the particular item and specify the quantity and vendor's status, warranty and approval date. You can do this. Alright, so our next step is to save our record. So when I click this floppy button, which is used for saving, when you move to upper left hand side of the screen, the button just next to the insertion mode button is a floppy button and used for saving our data. So when I click this button, my system would ask, do you want to save record? And I'll say yes. Now it says your record is saved. So this is how you can create a vendor master in iQ-Metallika ERP system. Hope this video would help you.